above. Dance and singing performance at Voyage of the Seas in the link above. Sapphire Daniel review in the link above. And Windjammer Cafe review in the link above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I posted the new video. See you next week.